Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you add location on TikTok video. If you wish to add location on TikTok video, then you'll have to follow the steps. So first thing first, you want to open the TikTok application and log into your account. The interface will look like. So what next you want to do is actually right on this field, you simply want to go ahead and make sure to click on the plus button at the bottom of the page. And then you simply want to go ahead and create a post. So for now I'm just gonna go ahead and take a random photo or the video. This is the one. Now then you simply want to go ahead and click on the next button. The TikTok has recently updated the feature, and then you could go ahead and click on more options. You could go ahead and add the description, add a link, everyone, and all that. And after you've actually done it, so go to the more options, and here you could go ahead and click on add location. So when you do it, so you will then be able to add location, or when you press that out, you'll be able to add a location. And that is how you could go ahead and add location on TikTok. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.